developments that we are tracking very closely from Syria. But when we talk about, in fact, the other developments that are happening around the globe, in a good move, in fact, the Indian embassy in Austria has said that India has been chosen to chair the 68th session of the Commission on Narcotics Drugs. This has come just at a time when Ambassador Shambhu S. Kumaran, who is India's permanent representative to the United Nations in Vienna, has officially assumed the chairmanship of prestigious UN forum. The CND is the principal policy-making body of the United Nations on drug-related matters. It is mandated to monitor the global drug trends, support the member states in formulating the balanced policies and oversee the implementation of major international drug conventions. All right, Mehndi joins me live on the broadcast. First time India has been named to chair 68th session of the Commission on Narcotics Drug, that's the CND. And this is coming at a time when, in fact, India itself is bringing up and getting the policies on records from various research methodology to get the drug cartel, anti-drug cartel going on. How do you, in fact, track the details, Mehndi, on this very important news break where the Indian embassy in Australia has issued the statement just in a while?
Well, indeed, Simran, it's a very good, development that we are tracking right now, as the Indian embassy in Austria has said that India has been chosen to chair the 68th session of the Commission on Narcotic Drugs, and it will be the first time when India will be chairing this, Commission on Narcotic Drugs, that is CND, and Ambassador Shambhu S. Kumaran, the India's permanent representative to the United Nations in Vienna, officially assumed the chairmanship of the prestigious UN forum, and the CND is the principal policy-making body of the United Nations on, drug-related matters, and it is mandated to monitor the global drug trends and support member states in formulating balanced policies, and also, oversee the implementation of the major international development conventions. And talking about the CND, then it is one of the functional commissions of the United Nations Economic and Social Council, and also a governing body of the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, which is headquartered in Vienna. And in a post on the X platform, the Indian embassy of Austria also mentioned that how India has been chosen to chair the 68th session, and Shambhu Kumaran has officially assumed as the chairmanship of the CND. And this is the first time that India has been named to chair this important UN body. And also, Simran, this reinforces India's growing leadership role on the global stage, and also India's commitment to addressing international issues through established multilateral mechanisms, as per the statement of the embassy also. And as chair, India will be expected to articulate the interests of the global south in line with its role in promoting the interests and also the perspectives of developing nations in the global discussions. And also India would strive to build on the ongoing work of the CND to foster dialogue and also understanding on drug policy issues, and especially to integrate concerns emerging economies with the priorities of developed nations to promote, holistic and also the balanced approach to this key issue, as this is one of the major global issues as of now. And also, Simran, over the upcoming year, the CND's agenda is expected to focus on strengthening international collaboration to address critical issues such as illicit drug trafficking, substance abuse, and also their associated social and health impacts, as well as availability of internationally controlled substances for medical and scientific purposes. So it is a very, a good move, as India will be chairing the 68th session, and by prioritizing multilateral dialogue and evidence-based solutions, India will also continue to partner with other member of the states of the CND to, advance equitable, exclusive, inclusive, and also sustainable strategies on all these issues.
All right,
these statements are
thank you for adding these details and giving us, in fact, real-time update on what remains to be India's stand as far as chairing the 68th session of the CND is concerned. Now, viewers, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely. Till then, stay with us.
Co-powered by Policy Bazaar.